Allow me to introduce myself. I am Cash, Beagle about town, kibble connoisseur, and bedbug detective. It's true, I can sniff out bedbugs. It is not just my vocation, but my passion. Each morning I get up, have my breakfast served to me by Lisa, my trusty assistant, who also chauffeurs me to that day's appointment. Of course, I am far too modest to say that I have a superpower, though many others have said it. But sniffing out bedbugs is a very specific skill set. And while it may sound unsavory, no one likes bedbugs. So I use my dog-given talent to find them. Lisa leads me around, and I work my magic. Foolish bedbugs you cannot hide from Cash. Voila! And there they are. Another job well done.
Good boy.
Now it's time for a tasty treat and a much-deserved rest. Who's a good boy? I am.